Hey guys, welcome to my very first 2020 video. Happy New Year to you guys. So today, basically, I'm going to be showing you guys what I did for New Year's. It's just a Happy New Year vlog. I didn't really party because I'm not a party person. Yo, I'm still getting ready. I just hopped out the shower. I got ready. Well, I didn't get ready. I put my jeans on that I'm about to wear, and then I gotta get a shirt to put on. Basically, I got my onesie in here. I got some extra panties after I got out the pool and stuff. Some deodorant. Some other stuff. My bathing suit and stuff down there. And I also got some footies that I'm going to put in there. Actually, put the footies in my second bag. Alright, y'all, I'm being rushed out the house, so I got to make sure all my stuff is on. I'm not bringing not one charger because I don't need it. It's New Year's. Why am I going to be on my phone? I got two phones. I got my 10 and my 11. I don't think none of them going to die. My mom and brother keep calling me, so I got to head downstairs. So I don't know if I got everything, but I was ready. So I got to just head out here in this rain. I'm in the snow after I just got out the shower. This is not gonna do. Daddy, I'm already sick. What are y'all trying to kill me?
Daddy, can you come on? We're leaving.
Is the heat on 75 for the dog? We might need to do 80 for the dogs. All right, so.
Come on, Daddy.
Basically, I was rushed and now they take it forever.
Don't bring that.
I can't even put this on because. So y'all, we just had to turn back around. We are leaving the house again because some forgot that.
Oh my God, why is it important?
Forgot that money.
You're part of our channel, that's why. You're part of the channel. Me, stop, you're part of the channel.
You stop touching me.
Me, you're part. Oh my God, I'm driving. You're part of the channel. Uh-oh, my daddy getting mad. Maybe he gonna hit you, stop doing that.
So we just left Burger King, we got the pizza.
All right, guys, we don't.
We almost there. We made it! We made it!
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Fast, fast.
Recording, yay!
I missed that. You recording? I'm done. 9:57. Then there's your.
Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be love? But I can't help falling in love with you. It's for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. B is very, very extraordinary. It's made for anyone that you adore. It's made for anyone that you adore. What's love is all that I can give to you. Love is no just a game for two. Two love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for you and me. Love.
Hi guys, I look a mess. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, it is almost 2020. We are about to go to my other room because we all go to we all like to go to one room and stuff. So yeah, twerk that ass. Twerk. Let me twerk for y'all. I'm talking about for the camera.
Gabby Duran and the Unseeables on Disney Channel.
Let's try that again. Hopefully nobody robbed the room. I got money on the bed and shit. I'm gonna bring my other phone just in case this one go. I farted. Now we're gonna have to come back into the first smell. Come on, we gotta go.
She said, "Get your asses over there."
Peeps, we about to come over there.
Your asses. Come on, say it.
That's what she said.
Get your asses over there.
That's what she said.
2020.
CY and 991. You gotta change that name. I'm like comfortable. I'm like comfortable.
Yes, two chicks just do it like Evelyn. Doesn't look like.
We got all these rooms on this side over here, y'all. Not 7. It's 6. Where mommy? There you go. You locked your door, mommy?
Yeah. Go follow her. Giving me a heart attack. 34! That's 33! 33.
5. I said turn it up 4. 3, 2, 1.
He got the drip on.
Wait, this Jane rate first.
Yeah, this shit is strong.
That shit crazy. It's my about to go back to school.
That's terrible.
It's a new decade, y'all. Make this decade amazing. touching my stuff? Yes, you are.
Can you turn that off?
I'm keeping it on. I just turned that on. Get up. We're about to go eat breakfast. This is the highway, guys. The highway's so dead. I'm tired. I ain't gonna cap. I'm tired as fuck. Bye. I look like a juicy potato. Yeah. So guys, we had to take another long nap. It is 10:37 and we gotta check out at 11. So right now what we about to do is clean the room up real fast. And probably, I don't know, my mom about to go get a trash bag. And then we just getting all our stuff together and stuff. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna stop recording now. When we heading out, I'm gonna record. So yeah, let me. My hair goes I'm gonna do it in the hair stuff after I wash it. It gotta be washed. You got chlorine in it. Yeah.